Hello, today I'm in Chevrolet Captiva. In this video I'll show you steering wheel buttons functions. In the beginning, let's take a look on the left side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got the panel thanks to which we can turn radio on or off, seek for the closest radio station, increase or decrease radio volume, answer and end the calls, and change radio source. On the right side we've got the panel thanks to which we can enable cruise control and disable it. Also we can manage the speed, and that's it. In the end, of course, if you press right here you will use the horn, and that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.